Good afternoon, folks. My name is Chris Wenzler, product specialist here at Heritage Ford. This week's featured vehicle is this 2012 Explorer Limited. This vehicle has a 3.5 liter, 290 horsepower. This vehicle is equipped with a tow package and all the amenities and specialties of the Limited. Folks, here in just a second we're going to take it for a test drive. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give us a call. You can call us at the office. We're here to help in any way we can. Once again, folks, this is the Limited, 62,000 miles. Has all Bluetooth capabilities, navigation, sunroof. Push button start. This thing is very, very well equipped. Alright guys, just sit back and we'll take her for a test drive. I'll tell you one thing about this one. This one isn't going to last long. Our internet's got this thing aggressively priced. It's super clean. It has very, very low miles. There, to make this turn, we're going to see what that 290 horsepower will do for us. Within reason of not getting a ticket. Well, it looks like we're just about back to Heritage Ford. I hope you guys enjoyed your test drive. If you guys are watching this and don't have anything to do, come on by. We can test drive some cars, see what we could do, see if something makes sense, and